Hi friends, I'm Layla. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so you don't miss any English lessons. Hi Mateo, welcome to the class. Don't be nervous.
Hi, Lila. Thank you. I am a little nervous.
It's okay, Mateo. Learning English is easy if you try step by step.
Really? I am a beginner. I don't know much.
That's perfectly fine. Everyone starts as a beginner. The important thing is to try and have fun.
Okay? I want to do.
That's great. Learning English is not hard. You will see.
I hope so. I really want to learn.
I know you can do it. Today, I just want to show you how my class works. Nothing to worry about.
Sounds good. I feel a little better now.
Excellent. My class is friendly and simple. We practice words, phrases, and everyday sentences slowly. You can ask questions anytime.
Wow. That sounds nice. I like friendly classes.
Perfect. And remember, everyone learns at their own speed. No pressure. You will improve step by step.
Thank you, Lila. I feel motivated now.
I'm glad. Today is just an introduction. Soon we will start real English practice. But for now, just relax and get ready.
Okay. I'm ready. I am excited to learn English with you.
Great. That's the spirit. Learning English can be fun and easy. I'm happy you're here. Mateo, today we won't start the English lesson.
Oh, really? I was a little worried.
Don't worry. I noticed you were nervous at first. That's okay.
Yes, I felt a little scared.
But now you look much better. You are calm and ready.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Perfect. Next time, we will go straight to learning English. You will practice words, sentences, and simple conversations.
Great! I am excited to start learning.
I'm glad. Remember, learning English is easy, step by step. Today was just to make you comfortable.
Thank you, Lila. I really like your class.
You're welcome, Mateo. See you next time for real English practice. Mateo, our meeting today is finished.
Oh, already?
Yes, I'm really happy to see you today.
Thank you, Lila. I'm happy too.
Friends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time for our English lesson. Goodbye for now.